Good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to Atmiya Routine School, Jai Swami Narayan. Today I start with Standard 8th revision class, book Geography, Chapter 4, Agriculture. The science and art of cultivation on the soil, raising crops and rearing livestock is known as agriculture or farming. So agriculture is an economic activity. Transformation from a plant to finished products involves three types of economic activities: primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary activity के examples है agriculture, fishing, gathering, hunting. Secondary activity के है manufacturing of steel, बेकिंग ऑफ ब्रेड, वीविंग ऑफ क्लॉथ. और टर्शरी है सब तैयार होके ट्रांसपोर्ट, ट्रेड, बैंकिंग, इंश्योरेंस एंड एडवर्टाइजिंग. सो एग्रीकल्चर इज अ प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी. इट इंक्लूड्स ग्रोइंग क्रॉप्स, fruits, vegetables, flowers and rearing of livestock. In the world, 50% of persons are dependent on agricultural activities. 2/3 of the Indians' population depends on agriculture. The land on which the crops are grown is known as arable land. Okay? And agriculture practices required favorable conditions like suitable topography of soil and climate conditions. Then we go to next, that is types of farming. Farming can be classified two main types है. एक तो है subsistence farming और एक है commercial farming. Further ये एक flow chart है, okay? Further, subsistence farming is divided into two: intensive subsistence farming and primitive subsistence agriculture. Further, primitive subsistence agriculture is divided into two: shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Then we go to next, that is commercial farming. It is subdivided into three: mixed farming, कमर्शियल ग्रेन फार्मिंग एंड प्लांटेशन. तो ये एक फ्लो चार्ट है स्टूडेंट्स. दैट इज वी गो टू वेरी फर्स्ट सबसिस्टेंस फार्मिंग. दिस फार्मिंग इज डन merely to meet the needs of the farmer's family. ओके, उसके अंदर है इंटेंसिव सबसिस्टेंस एग्रीकल्चर. सिंपल टूल्स एंड ह्यूज लेबर आर यूज्ड बाय अ फार्मर to cultivate a small plot of land. More than one crop are sown in favorable climatic conditions like large number of days with sunshine and fertile soil. Rice is the main crop, followed by wheat, maize, pulses and oilseeds. This farming is prevalent in the thickly populated areas of the monsoon regions of South, Southeast and East Asia. Then we go to next, that is primitive subsistence agriculture. उसके अंदर है primitive includes shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. That is shifting cultivation is this cultivation is practiced in the thickly forested areas of Amazon basin. These are the areas of heavy rainfall. A plot of land is cleared by felling the trees and burning them. वो जो ashes रह जाते हैं, it is then mixed with the soil and the crops like maize, yam, potatoes और cassava. You know, yam भी एक vegetable है. Okay, then comes nomadic herding. This type of farming is practiced in the semi-arid and arid regions of Sahara, Central Asia and India में राजस्थान, जम्मू कश्मीर. This refers to the practice in which herdsmen move from place to place with their animals for fodder and water, खाने के लिए. Nomadic herding यानी ये लोग कहीं भी परमानेंट नहीं होते हैं, टेम्पररी होती, 3 महीने यहाँ तो 3 महीने कहीं और. ओके. एनिमल्स यूजुअली रेयर्ड आर द याक, शीप, कैमल एंड गोट्स, और ये हमें मिल्क प्रोवाइड करता है, मीट, वूल, हाइड्स एंड मेनी मोर. देन वी गो टू नेक्स्ट, दैट इज कमर्शियल फार्मिंग. उसमें सब व्हाट इज कमर्शियल फार्मिंग? दैट इज crops are grown exclusively only for commercial purpose in a large area with a large amount of capital, or rearing of animals for sale in market. Commercial farming includes 3. Okay, first is mixed farming, commercial grain farming and plantation. So first we will talk about mixed farming. In this type of farming, crops are raised and the livestock are kept in farm to have animal products. The land is used for growing food and fodder crops and rearing of animals, livestock. It is practiced in Europe, Eastern USA, Argentina, Southeast Australia, New Zealand and South Africa. Then commercial grain farming. In this farming, crops are grown for commercial purpose. The areas are sparsely populated with large farm spreading over 100 of hectares. Then plantation. This is also a type of commercial farming where single crop of tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, banana or cotton is grown. Large amount of labor and capital are required. The produce is processed in the farm. मतलब कि क्योंकि फैक्ट्रीज पास में ही होती हैं, और they are found in the tropical regions of the world. That is rubber in Malaysia, coffee in Brazil and more. मेजर क्रॉप्स हमारे कौन से हैं? राइस, मिलेट्स, कॉटन, कॉफ़ी, वीट, मेज, जूट, टी, जो एक ही बार में मतलब एक ही फार्म में एक ही टाइम में ग्रो हो सकता है. एक ह्यूज प्रोसेस है. देन अबाउट एग्रीकल्चर इन डेवलपिंग एंड डेवलप कंट्री. तो इसमें 2 एग्जाम्पल दिए. डेवलपिंग कंट्री दैट इज़ अ फार्म इन इंडिया एंड डेवलप कंट्री दैट इज़ अ फार्म इन द USA. First, a farm in India. A typical Indian farmland is about 1.5 hectares in area. The high-yielding varieties HYVs of seeds are purchased from market. The land is fertile and at least 2 crops in a year can be grown. जैसे wheat, rice, pulses. The government agricultural officers, villagers and families give advice and help the farmers in various farm activities. वहाँ पे बुलक्स यूज़ होते हैं फॉर प्लोइंग, और सम फार्मर्स ट्रैक्टर्स और ट्यूबवेल्स की भी मदद लेते हैं. ओके. और USA में द एवरेज साइज ऑफ द फार्म इन द USA इज़ much larger than that of an Indian farm. A typical farm size in the USA is about 250 hectares. Adequate measures are taken to control pests that can damage the crop. Farmers send time soil samples to a soil testing laboratory to check whether the nutrients are sufficient or not. फिर स्प्रिंकलिंग मेथड यूज़ होता है. इतने बड़े ह्यूज फार्म्स है, उसमें तो स्प्रिंकलिंग मेथड यूज़ होगा ना पानी का. इक्वली ऐसे स्प्रिंकलिंग मिडिल में होता है, तो ऐसे बहुत सारे स्प्रिंकलिंग होते हैं. इतना बड़ा फार्म है, 250 हेक्टर्स में फैला हुआ है USA का फार्म. इट इज़ मच बिगर देन दी दैट इज़ इन आर इंडिया, राइट. सो this was the end of its summary revision. Then horticulture means growing of fruits and vegetables. Golden fiber refers to jute. Leading producer of coffee is Brazil. Then two important reasons. In India, agriculture is a primary activity and different crops are grown in different regions. Then distinguish between the primary and the tertiary. Primary activities are those which are associated with the extraction and production of natural resources. And tertiary activities are those which provide support to primary and secondary activities through services. Subsistence and intensive farming. Subsistence farming is practiced to meet the needs of the farmer's family, and intensive farming is a kind of subsistence farming only where a farmer cultivates a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. मतलब सब्सिस्टेंस फार्मिंग में तो हाउस होल्ड लेबर की ही ज़रूरत है, एंड इंटेंसिव फार्मिंग ज़्यादा बहुत होता है, इसलिए मोर लेबर इज यूज्ड. एग्रीकल्चर इज अ प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी. Slash and burn practice of agriculture is also known as shifting farming. The two most important staple food crops of the world are rice and wheat. Then wheat is not a millet crop. The type of agriculture largely practiced in India is subsistence farming. The word agriculture has been derived from two Latin words. Agriculture, that is agro-culture. Cultivation of grapes is also known as viticulture. Factors influencing the crop cultivation are temperature, fertile soil and rainfall. More than %% of population in the world depends on agriculture. It is 50%. Growing vegetables, flowers, fruits and decorative plants for commercial use is known as horticulture. Dash activity is concerned with processing and manufacturing. It is secondary. Dash is grown in winter. It requires rainfall during growing season and bright sunshine at the time of harvest. It is wheat. Wheat is grown in winter because it requires rainfall during growing season and bright sunshine at the time of harvest. Then what is arable land? Is the land on which crops are grown. Arid regions of Sahara, Central Asia and some parts in India like Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir are the type of nomadic herdings. Then wheat production की countries कौन सी है? USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, India and Australia. Two countries lead in the production of jute. It is India and Bangladesh. The main feature of plantation agriculture is that only a single crop is grown. एक ही crop grow होती पूरे साल, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं, फ्री रहता है वो लैंड. देन अगेन फिर से उसकी अच्छी तरह से उसकी टिलिंग की जाती है एंड देन अगेन द प्रोसेस. Two features of commercial farmings are: first, the area cultivated and the amount of capital used is large, and second, most of the work is done by machines. Mixed farming is the land used for growing food and fodder crops and rearing livestocks. लाइव ऑफ नोमैडिक हर्डिंग के एनिमल्स है याक, शीप, कैमल एंड गोट्स. यही पाए जाते हैं ऊपर पहाड़ों पे और इनके मिल्क भी वो निकालते हैं और बेचते भी हैं और लोग इनके दे ड्रिंक. हम तो नहीं ये लेते, कंज्यूम करते, राइट. मेजर एग्रीकल्चर क्रॉप्स आर राइस, व्हीट, रिच क्रॉप्स बोलते हैं जिनको, मिलेट्स एंड मेज. राइस प्रोडक्शन की कंट्रीज कौन सी है? चाइना, इंडिया, जापान, श्रीलंका, बांग्लादेश एंड इजिप्ट. नेम द गोल्डन फाइबर. कौन सा है? जूट इज द गोल्डन फाइबर and it is mainly grown in India and Bangladesh. The word agriculture is derived from two Latin, that is ager. Ager means soil and culture means cultivation. Breeding of fish, specially constructed tanks and ponds, is known as pisciculture. Types of subsistence farming. Two types, intensive and primitive. Tertiary activities are those which provide support to primary and secondary activities. Commercial rearing of silkworms is called sericulture. Breeding of fish in specially constructed tanks and ponds, it is pisciculture. Cultivation of grapes, it is viticulture. Growing vegetables, flowers and fruits for commercial use, it is horticulture. मतलब कि इनपुट्स, आउटपुट्स और प्रोसेसेस किसको बोलते हैं एग्रीकल्चर इन जनरल में? द इनपुट्स इन एग्रीकल्चर, क्या इनपुट होते हैं एग्रीकल्चर में? सीड्स, फर्टिलाइजर्स, मशीनरी, लेबर. हाँ. प्रोसेसेस, क्या प्रोसेस होता है? इट इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द एग्रीकल्चरल ऑपरेशंस आर प्लोइंग होता है, सोइंग होता है, इरिगेशन, वीडिंग, हार्वेस्टिंग, जब सीड्स को सो कर देते हो. फिर उसके बाद आउटपुट, अच्छे बहुत खिले खिले क्रॉप्स ग्रो होते हैं, वूल, देन डेयरी एंड पोल्ट्री प्रोडक्ट्स. आउटपुट जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के जरिए मार्केट्स में चला जाता है थ्रू ट्रेडर्स एंड प्रोड्यूसर्स. देन डिफरेंस बिटवीन द मैन्योर्स एंड द फर्टिलाइजर्स. मैन्योर्स आर ऑर्गेनिक मैटर, फर्टिलाइजर्स आर नॉट ऑर्गेनिc. Manures are made in farms itself. Fertilizers are made in factories. Manures do not pollute the soil. Fertilizers pollute the soil. Manures do not have a specific nutrient or is not rich in specific nutrient. Fertilizers are rich in specific nutrients, that is manure and fertilizers. Favorable topography of soil and dash are vital for agriculture activity. It is soil and climate. Topography of soil and climate is equal to agricultural activities. In organic farming, no genetic modification is done to increase the field of the crop. Primitive subsistence agriculture includes shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. In commercial grain farming, crops are grown for commercial purpose. Then true or false? Favorable topography of soil and climate are vital for agriculture. True. Fishing and agricultural activities are secondary in nature. False. ये फर्स्ट है, प्राइमरी है. A plot of land is cleared by felling the trees and burning them is called shifting cultivation. True. Coffee does not require warm and wet climate and well-drained loamy soil. It is false. Maize is also known as corn. It is true. Then we go to next, that is, we'll discuss few match the columns from the interior of the text. That is Indian farmland. It is 1.5 hectares. Cotton, it is 210 frost-free days. Millets, low rainfall चाहिए इसको and high to moderate temperature. Plantations, a type of commercial farming. Jute, jute is golden fiber. And rice, the staple diet of the tropical and subtropical regions. Staple diet, यानी हमेशा हम डाइट में एक दिन में एक बार तो ये कंज्यूम करते ही हैं. Right, students? So the science and the art of cultivation on the soil, raising crops and rearing livestock is called agriculture. So it is a pretty good lesson, students. Please do read the lesson. Okay, उसके एक्टिविटीज़, देन उसके टाइप्स ऑफ फार्मिंग, एक पूरा फ्लो चार्ट है. यू प्रिपेयर अ फ्लो चार्ट. आप भी फ्लो चार्ट बनाओ अपनी बुक के अंदर एंड प्लीज़ कंप्लीट योर बुक्स. एंड 7th standard 8th standard students have not yet, many students have not yet submitted their subject and enrichment activity. Please submit it. Okay, submit it fast so that I will give you marks. It is of 10 marks. Right? Then it is मतलब टाइप्स ऑफ फार्मिंग का फ्लो चार्ट बनता है पूरा. फर्दर सब्सिस्टेंस फार्मिंग, फर्दर प्रिमिटिव सब्सिस्टेंस फार्मिंग, एग्रीकल्चर. देन कमर्शियल का 3 है. ओके, फ्लो चार्ट. देन मेजर क्रॉप्स आर राइस, मिलेट्स, कॉटन, कॉफी, wheat, maize, jute, tea. Then agricultural development. It refers to efforts made to increase farm production in order to meet the growing demand of increasing population. It can be achieved through different ways such as increasing the cropped area, the number of crops grown, improving the irrigation facilities, use of fertilizers and high yielding variety of seeds. Mechanization, a part of agricultural development, means process of using machine more than human labor. The main aim of agricultural development is to increase the food security. Okay. So students, that was a small revision of geography chapter 4, that is agriculture. Please do read the lesson and fare well in your second periodic test. This time you should gain good marks. एंड बाकी भी आपकी जो सब्जेक्ट एनरिचमेंट एक्टिविटी उसके भी आप जल्दी से सबमिट करो बिकॉज उसके 10 मार्क्स हैं. कंप्लीट योर बुक्स. ओके, आप ये लेसन, इफ वंस यू विल रीड द लेसन इजीली आप इसके MCQs कर सकोगे. बी इजी फॉर यू टू डू MCQs, राइट? So please read this lesson. In my next class I will start with another revision of your second periodic test. Till then, bye, take care.